Email is likely the primary way your college will communicate with you. It is important to check and respond to email every day. When you do check your email, it is best to check it in chronological order, from the oldest to the most recent. That way, you will respond to email promptly, and no one will have to wait too long for a response from you. In addition to checking email in chronological order, it is also beneficial to scan your email for priority senders, such as your professors, your academic advisor, your parents, and/or others. As you read each piece of email, it is important to make one of three decisions: keep, act, or trash. You should keep, in either an electronic file or a paper file, email that you will need for future reference. You should act immediately on email that requires action, especially if the action is a response to the email, or schedule the action for an appropriate time in the near future. Lastly, you should trash immediately email that is insignificant or obsolete. The goal should be to look at each piece of email only one time, to decide whether to keep, act, or trash, and to remove the email from your inbox so that it does not get confused with subsequent incoming emails.